Now we are going to discuss about the example for arithmetic operator. Now the first one is, listen, first one is demo program to test the arithmetic operator. A equal to 100, B order value on the 10, B equal to 10. First of all, we are print the value of print the sum equal to A plus B. So we may add A and B. We know very well the value of A equal to 100, the value of B equal to 10. So A plus B equal to 110, A plus B equal to 110. Then second one is the difference equal to A minus B. We know very well the value of A is 100, value of B is 10. So 100 minus 10 equal to 90, 100 minus 10 equal to 90. The third printout is the product equal to A star B. That means 100 into 10 we get a value 1000. We get a value 1000. Then fourth one is print the quotient equal to, the quotient is printed as it is. Then A divide B. That means 100 is divided by 10. We know very well the quotient is 10. The remainder is 0. The remainder equal to A modulus 30. Here we know the value of A is 100. The 100 is modulus by 30. The 100 is modulus by 30. So 3 times 90 we get a remainder 10. They are asked to print the value remainder. They are asked to print the value remainder. So we get a remainder 10. Then next one is print the exponent equal to A star star 2. A star star 2 means power value. That means 100 to the power of 10. That means 100 into 100. We get a value 10,000. That means double multiple. So the new one is floor division method. Floor division method is nothing but it will round off the value. Well, round off the value means we know very well 100 divided by 30 means we get a value 3. That means 90 remainder on the 10. Remainder is 10. Again we put a dot means we get a value 3. Again 3, 3, 3. So we will round down this value. We will round down this value. So we get a value 3. So this is the example for arithmetic operator. This is the example for arithmetic operator. The value of A equal to 100, value of B equal to 10. Here we are discussed arithmetic operator is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent and floor division method. This is the symbol for Python. This is the symbol for Python. The next example is relational operator. The operators are equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than, not equal. So here the demonstration program is given below. We will get the value from prompt value A equal to int input of enter the value of A. Here we are using a data type int. Here we are using the data type int. So it will take a value as integer. It will take a value as integer. As the same way here also we get a value of B also as an integer. We are getting a value from a runtime value. So during the execution of the program we will give a value. So third line is print A equal to whatever things is given in double quotation, that is printed as it is. So first one is enter a value for A. Here output enter the value for A. The cursor is waiting here. User we will give any value. In our book that is given as 35. Then again the compiler reach here. So B equal to input of enter a value for B. Here we are giving a value for B. So the string is printed as it is enter a value for B. The compiler, the cursor is waiting here. The compiler get a value from the users. We will give a value 56. We will give a value 56. Now the value of A equal to 35. The value of B become 56. So first condition is print A equal to A and B equal to B. So A equal to A means here we know the value of A is 35. We know the value of B is 56. So that is printed as it is. The next one is print A greater than B equal to A greater than B. So A greater than B means the value of A is 35. The value of B is 56. 35 greater than 56. The condition becomes false. So the compiler returned the value false. Then next one is A greater than, that means A less than B. A less than B means 35 less than 56. 35 less than 56, 35 less than 56. So the condition becomes true. The output becomes what? True. So again the compiler reach here. A greater than or equal to B. A greater than or equal to B means 35 greater than or equal to 56. 35 is not greater than or equal to 56. So the condition becomes false. then a less than or equal to b, a less than or equal to 0. Here instead of b we are using b, that means 0. So 35 less than or equal to 0, the condition becomes false. Here we are using, instead of b we are using 0. At last condition is a not equal to b, that means a not equal to b means 35 not equal to b, the condition becomes true, so the output becomes true. The next operator is logical operator. We know very well the logical operator means and, or and not. We know very well logical operator means and, or, not. Here we are using a same keyword and, or, not. Instead of we are using symbols in C++. The demo program is a equal to the same thing, whatever we are taken from the relational operator, the same thing as here also we are taken. Enter the value for a is 50. This is given by a user, this is given by user. The next one is b equal to int input of enter a value for b. So the enter a value for b is 40, that means the user will give the value 40. Now we know the value of a is 50 and the value of b is 40. The third statement is print a equal to a, b equal to b. The a equal to, here we know the value of a is 50, so 50 is written. B equal to, we know very well the value of b is 40. Then next statement is the within double quotation, the a greater than b or a equal to b is given, so that is printed as it is. Here one condition is given, a greater than b, that means a value is 50 greater than 40, the condition is false. The condition is false, that means note down here, a greater than, listen, a greater than b a greater than b or a equal to b, a equal to b. Value of a is 50 greater than value of b is 40. This is one condition. Here we are using operator or operator. 50 equal to 40, 50 equal to 40. So this condition becomes true, 50 greater than 40 becomes true, this condition becomes false. Here we are using a logic gate named as OR. OR gate means if any one condition is true means the loop will be executed, that means the loop becomes true. The loop becomes what? True. So the value becomes true, so the value becomes what? True. So that's why here in our output this is given as true, this is given as true. The second condition is a greater than b and a equal to b. The same condition is given, 50 greater than 40 and 50 equal to 40. This condition becomes true, but this condition becomes false. Here we are using a loop named as, that means logic gate named as AND logic gate. So for AND both the condition becomes false, that means true only means it will be true, otherwise all other conditions becomes false. So that why here we are using this as a false. So then last one is not a greater than b equal to not a greater than b, but that means 50 greater than 40, the condition becomes true. Before here we are using not, so the true becomes what? False. So that is given here. Next one is the program is given for arithmetic assignment operator, that means arithmetic assignment operator. This is nothing but, we know very well, assignment operator means equal. With all arithmetic operator we are using comparative, that means equal. So we will discuss this in our program, Yeah, this is a demo program is given. We get the value of x, here we get a value of x, the type a value for x is 10. Here the user will give the value 10. Afterwards in the second statement print x equal to x of, we will print it as it is x equal to 10. Then the next statement is print the x value is x, that means x is 10. Then x plus equal to 20, that means x equal to x plus 20. So x equal to x plus x equal to x plus 20. That means the value of x is 10 plus 20, we get a value 30, we get a value 30. So that value is given in your book. The next one is x minus equal to 5, x minus equal to 5. The next one is x minus equal to 5. That means x equal to x minus 5. We know very well the value of x is 10, 10 minus 5 equal to, that means now the value of x is 20, 20 minus 5 means we get a value 15, but in our compiler we know the value of x is 30, so 30 minus 5 equal to 25. So next statement is x star equal to 5, x star equal to 5. We know the value of x is 25, 25 star, that means x equal to x star 5. We know the value of x is 25, so 25 star 5, that means x equal to 25 star 5 equal to 125, 25 star 5 equal to 125. The next one is x modulus equal to 2, that means x equal to x by 2. We know the value of x is 125, so 125 by 2 means we get a value 62.5, 62.5. The next one is x modulus of 3 equal to 3, that means x equal to x by 3. X modulus equal to 3. We know the value of x is 62.5 divided by 3. That means we get a value 2.5. That means we get a value 2.5. The remainder is, the next one is x modulus, that means x asterisk, that means exponent equal to 2 means it is double multiplied, that means 25 into 25. We know the value of 25 into 25 is 625. So we will put a 2 digits, means 6.25. Last one is floor division method. X model, that means floor division equal to 3 means we will get a value 2. We will get a value 2. I think last one is conditional operator. Last one is conditional operator. This is nothing but the same example we are discussed just before. Variable name equal to on true if test expression, else on false. Min equal to 50 if 49 less than 50 means it will return the value. If the condition is true means it will return the value 50, else it will return the value 70.